Welcome to infyGyan, my dear friends. Today in this video we are going to solve one very interesting question from system of equations for the real values of x, y and z. X, y, z cannot be equal to 0 as they are in the denominators. So let's get started by writing here equation 1. This we will call equation number 2 and here we will write equation number 3. Now if we will think about one cubic equation in variable t whose roots are x, y and z, then we have x plus y plus z sum of roots in equation 1, xy plus yz plus zx sum of roots taken 2 at a time in equation number 3. Only product of roots x, y, z is missing. So we will write our second equation to find the value of product of roots. So we will write 1 over x plus 1 over y plus 1 over z will be equal to 1. Now we have to find x, y, z. So I will make our denominator common. So I need to multiply here with yz. So I will multiply in the numerator also by yz. Here we will multiply with xz or zx. So in the denominator we will multiply with zx. Here we will multiply with xy. So in the denominator we will multiply with xy. Now our denominator will become xyz. Common denominator xyz. In numerator we can write yz plus zx plus xy. RHS is 1. Now we will cross multiply and we will write xy plus yz plus zx equal to xyz. Now xy plus yz plus zx as per equation number 3, 27. So we will write 27 equal to xyz, which is product of roots. So I will write here our fourth equation xyz equal to 27. Equation number 4. Now we are going to use 3 equations out of 4. Equation number 1, sum of roots x plus y plus z equal to 9. Second equation would be our third equation here, xy plus yz plus zx equal to 27. And third equation which we will use here, that is our equation 4, which is product of roots xyz equal to 27. Now we have sum of roots taken 2 at a time, product of roots available. We will write our cubic equation in t whose roots are x, y, z, t minus x times t minus y times t minus z equal to 0. Now we will simplify our LHS. We will write t cube minus x plus y plus z times t square plus xy plus yz plus zx times t minus xyz equal to 0. So sum of roots taken 2 at a time, product of roots. We will put all the values here and get one cubic equation in t cube minus 9t square plus 2070 minus 27 equal to 0. So here we have one cubic equation. I will use synthetic division and rational root theorem method. So let me write here cubic equation t cube minus 9t square plus 27t minus 27 equal to 0. Now we are going to find eligible factors of constant 27. So we can write here plus minus 1, plus minus 3, plus minus 6, plus minus 9, plus minus 27. Now we have to plug in values of t. Leading coefficient is 1. Let us plug in t equal to 1. So we will write 1 cube is 1, minus 9 times 1 square minus 9, plus 27 times 1, 27, minus 27. Will it be equal to 0? No. Now we will check t equal to minus 1. So we will write here minus 1, minus 9, minus 27, minus 27. Cannot be 0. If we will plug in t equal to 2, so 2 is not there, so we will write t equal to 3. T equal to 3. 3 cube is 27, minus 9 times 9, 81, plus 27 times 3, 81, minus 27. So plus and minus 81 will be over, plus and minus 27 will be over. We are going to get 0. So t equal to 3 is our base solution. Now we are going to use synthetic division method. Here we will write all the coefficients of cubic equation. So coefficient of t cube 1, coefficient of t square minus 9, coefficient of t 27, constant minus 27. We'll put one line over here. Leading coefficient 1 would be as it is. Now we will multiply our base solution with this leading coefficient. So 3 times 1 we will write here. Minus 9 plus 3. We will add both the numbers. Minus 6. Again we will multiply base solution 3 with minus 6. Product will be minus 18. We will write here. Now we have to add these two. We will get 9. 3 times 9 becomes 27. Once we will add these two, we are going to get 0. So these are coefficients for quadratic equation. We will write equation t square minus 60 plus 9 equal to 0. Our base solution is t equal to 3. So I will write here t square minus 60 plus 9 equal to 0. So this is one perfect square of t minus 3. So we can write t minus 3 whole square is equal to 0. Our base solution was t equal to 3, or we can write t minus 3 will be one factor. So overall we can write it is t minus 3 whole cube in the LHS, and RHS is 0. So from this equation I can write t minus 3, this should be equal to 0 or t equal to 3 with multiplicity 3. Multiplicity 3. So we can write roots of this cubic equation x, y, z. So we'll be writing here x, comma y, comma z will be equal to 3, 3, 3. So our answer becomes 3, 3, 3. Let us verify. So we will write here check. X equal to 3, y equal to 3, z equal to 3. If I will check our first equation, which is written here, this is equation 2. Here we have equation 3. So we will write 3 plus 3 plus 3, which is true because addition is 9. Second equation, if we will check, 1 over 3 plus 1 over 3 plus 1 over 3. If we will add, then we can write 3 over 3. Value will be 1, which is also true. Now we are going to check third equation. xy, so we will write 3 times 3 plus yz 3 times 3 plus zx 3 times 3. So we will get 9 plus 9 plus 9. Addition will be 27, and which is our RHS, which is also true. So our solution will be x comma y comma z equal to 3 comma 3 comma 3. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.